God, this truck looks so good with the new wheels on it. But joke's on me, these wheels are basically garbage. This is my Ford F-350 and this is my dream truck. I'm trying to give this truck a makeover on a budget, so I've been collecting parts off of Marketplace for a while now, and I'm starting to get really excited to see how this truck is going to look. Now I know a lot of you aren't going to like the last thing that I'm doing to this truck. I know I'm going to like it, so maybe stick around to the end of the video and let me know down in the comments what you think. So you guys probably want to know why I almost lost my cool earlier. Because these wheels that I bought off of Marketplace are basically scrap. Thought I could trust the guy selling them, and I thought I looked them over pretty well, but I guess that's what I get for trusting a Dodge owner. As you can see here, almost all of these holes are wallowed out, rounded. There's actually thread marks imprinted on all of them. That's how bad they are. I must have looked at the other three and I just neglected to look at this one. So this is basically as good as scrap. Really hope you guys never have to go through anything like this. The feeling of getting scammed really sucks. You guys have any stories about when it happened to you? Maybe let me know down in the comments. Might help me feel a little bit better. On the bright side, this is a great excuse to get a brand new set of wheels, and these things are going to look way better on the truck, so I'm super excited about that. Ate into the budget way more than I would have liked, but I don't know, I think it was worth it. What do you guys think? Let's see how these fit. Okay, those look really good. This looks even better than I expected. Those look so good on the truck. I'm stoked. I wish these looked as good on camera as they do in real life, because they look so good. Holy. I'm used to throwing around 14s and 15s, not these big dog tires. These are crazy. I don't know how you truck guys do it all the time. Well, these look sick. I am beyond happy with how these turned out. Kind of worked out nicely that I was able to buy some new wheels, because these completely transformed the look of the truck. It looks so good now. But enough drooling over these wheels, it's on to the next step. This truck has a humongous bed and no good way of tying anything down. So I designed these in CAD, sent them up to Send Cut Send, and then TIG welded them up. Turned out really good. Super happy with these. A little bit bigger than I probably would have liked, but whatever, I'm happy with them. They don't stick out too far past the edge of the bed here. And then we've got these nice heavy duty backing plates that'll go on the backside. If you guys want to see the story of how I got this truck and the road trip across the country to get it back home, I'll throw the link in up above. Let's see if there's any hope in hell of getting this on here. God, we had 10 inches of snow last week. I don't know how it's so hot out already, but these are in. They look sick. I'm super happy. I was kind of on the fence when I actually got the parts, but now that they're in here, it looks really cool and super strong. I could probably stand on that with no issues. All right, time to do it 3 more times. So that's really hard to do single-handedly. I'm going to wait for another set of hands to do the last 2. In the meantime, let's put on the final piece of the puzzle here, and that's this nice aluminum truck toolbox. Got this thing used off of Marketplace because these things cost a fortune when they're brand new, and this one's in good shape. So let's get this mounted. So I'm going to let you guys in on a bit of a secret. The last part of this build was going to be a spray-in bed liner for this truck. So that was going to be the controversial part of this build. I know a lot of people don't like those newer bed liners on these older trucks, but I figured I'd use it because I'm going to be towing to the track a lot this summer. I really hope I'm not letting you guys down by not putting the bed liner in the truck. I had to spend the budget for the bed liner on a new set of wheels for the truck. And now let's get this bolted in. So if you guys hate Marketplace scammers as much as I do, hit that like and subscribe button. Really sucks that it happened, but what's important is the truck is done and it looks unbelievable. It looks way better than I even hoped for it. Next time you guys see this truck, we're going to be towing this car to the track, and that is just a few weeks away. And we've actually got a video coming out on this shortly. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.